Well, hello everyone, Dave Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and we are hanging this Hague and West, and there's the pattern number for you. And we are doing it in 2 bathrooms, a men's and women's, for a shared office space here in Park Ridge, Illinois. So this is obviously above the, I'll think of it, above the tile that we installed it. The facility aren't working yet, so it's kind of nice because we were able to put it in before toilets and sinks and lights got in there, so it worked out pretty well. This one, again, we really had to get this one wet. It just, once we got it booked, it expanded, and then after it expanded, it dried out really fast, so we had to get it wet. Again, part of that's because of where we were working, it was really dry. But otherwise, it went up really nice. Seamed up good. Yeah, no issues with it whatsoever. It was nice to work with. And we trained a couple new people with it, and they had no problems with it either. So can't say enough about it. Hand printed in Chicago. So I know we'll be trying to do a podcast with them on some of those products that they have in the future. Maybe do a video on YouTube or something. But great products. If you have any questions about this wallpaper or other wallpaper installation, give us a call to DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.